If you've been trying to use GCash on your laptop but can't find a desktop version, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can install and run GCash on any Windows or Mac laptop using a safe and reliable method. Stick with me until the end because this trick will save you time and make your GCash transactions much more convenient. Here's the thing. GCash doesn't have an official app for laptops or PCs, but the good news is we can still use it by running it inside an Android emulator. My go-to recommendation is BlueStacks, which is free and easy to set up. First, head over to the official BlueStacks website at bluestacks.com, click on the big Download BlueStacks button. This will download the installer file. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the simple on-screen steps to install it on your computer. When the installation finishes, launch BlueStacks. Inside BlueStacks, open the App Player, then go to the Google Play Store. You'll need to sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. In the Play Store, type GCash. In the search bar, click on the official GCash app and hit Install. Wait for the download to complete, and that's it. You can now open GCash inside BlueStacks, log into your account, and use it just like you would on your phone, except now you have a bigger screen and keyboard, which is super handy for transactions. And there you have it, GCash running on your laptop in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips and money-saving tricks. Drop a comment below if you tried this method and let me know how it worked for you.